My name is Dean Goodwin. My role is the VP of Manufacturing and Engineering. And that entails working with the different softwares that we've purchased. That entails the designs and integrating all our products together. Amico has been providing innovations in healthcare for over 40 years. In 2003, started to manufacture a product called a head wall, which is the unit that goes behind the beds, which holds on to the medical gas and the electrical and the low voltage and the nurse call systems. And then around the year 2014, we expanded into our casework division. This made things a little bit more complex, and we had to actually take a full look at our product offering and how everything was going to integrate together and how we were going to do that successfully. Because one of the problems you have when you start to grow as a company is you need to have the infrastructure and the technology that'll support that. So the first priority that we were looking at was actually trying to be able to make casework. And the questions we asked were more around, what can we do with this software? What we did was we decided to look at all the softwares that were available on the market. And we were really looking for something that would control the quality, the design, and be somewhat parametric so that we could still offer the solutions the customer was looking for and the flexibility. You know, there's a lot of softwares out there that'll do the job for today. There's not a lot of softwares out there that you can customize and plan for the future with. We wanted to process through our entire organization, from quoting stage to order stage to manufacturing stage to assembly stage. The other component was looking at integrating it with our ERP system. And so what happened was the comparison became very quickly towards Microbellum. Because everywhere you looked and everyone you asked questions, well, Microbellum's more customizable. Microbellum, to me, is probably one of the #1 softwares for flexibility and integration. And that's why we chose it. If we hadn't chosen Microbellum, we would have probably chosen a couple of different softwares. Probably done some different programming, different ways. I don't think we'd have the same integration in all departments, and we'd have several pieces of software versus one. So if you're looking for a software, you need to really stop and think a little bit. Some software, it's just what it is. Microbellum's growing with us. We're able to program it, do different things. The possibilities are endless.